What is prepaid interest and why do I have to pay it? I've been getting this question a lot from my borrowers for some reason, more often than I have in the past. So I wanted to just do a quick video to explain what prepaid interest is. And the easiest way to explain it is really when you close on your purchase, even though your first payment on that loan doesn't start for either a month or two, depending on when you close in that month, it doesn't mean that you're not paying interest on it in the interim. So the lender will collect the interest from the day you close until the very last day of that month. Because think about it, if you were to loan someone money, you would want to start collecting interest immediately, right? So it's the same thing. So I always try to explain to the borrowers that way to make it as if they were the ones lending someone money. Even though you might set their first payment, a month or two out, technically you're lending that money. So if that money is out of your bank account and someone else's bank account, you're going to want to start collecting interest immediately, right? So if you close at the beginning of a month, if you close at the beginning of a month, you're going to have more prepaid interest than you would if you're closing at the end of the month. And the reason is because if you close at the beginning of a month, your first payment is not due until technically about 2 months out. So if you close on December 5th, let's just say you closed on December 5th of this month, your first payment is not due until February 1st. So therefore, you're going to be paying prepaid interest from December 5th up until basically December 31st, right? And then your first payment doesn't start in January. First payment doesn't start till February. But mortgage payments are technically paid in arrears. So that means that when you're making your payment for February, that really was to cover the month of January. So I hope that explains prepaid interest and why you have to pay it. Yeah, reach out if you have any other questions, regarding costs on loans.